I mean, but I'm actually glad I asked it to you either way, because what I'm actually hearing is you did it early on and you saw it wasn't healthy.
Sure.
And so you actually found another way.
Yeah.
And it's really interesting because a lot of people may not have found another way, or that is their way and that is their method.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, you were going to say
No,
something.
it's my acting coach. Ben Perkins was my acting coach on my first film. And that film's really, really emotionally intense. And we started off by doing things like, can you imagine, your mum passing, or can you imagine things like that? And I would cry instantly.
Yeah.
And he was the one that actually recognized at a point, this is too much for this young kid to kind of take. So he devised these exercises where him and I could kind of have these fake arguments, where I was, as a 12-year-old, maybe I was older than that, 13-year-old, could recognize that they were exercises, and I would allow the emotion to kind of come from these kind of acting techniques, let's call it. So it was actually